Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I will tell you what is the meaning of this chapter according to the paragraph wise. First of all, I will read the paragraph. Then I will tell you what is the meaning of the paragraph. This one, you can see the name of the chapter on the monitor. The enemy. Enemy is an adjective word. And what is the noun of the what is the noun of enemy? That is enmity. Okay, in this way, Perles Buck. This one is the written by Perles Buck. I told you already what is the background, what is the time background of this story. The time background of this story, World War. Okay, there were two world wars fought between no, in the world. First one from 1914 to 1918, and second one from 1939 to 1945. And this is the story of Second World War, because in the Second World War we find America and Japan were both arch rival for each other. So okay, so let me read first the paragraph wise. No? Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast where, as a little boy, he had often played. The mm, in these lines we find this one is, you can say, this one is an introductory line. Yeah, this one is introductory lines. In this line we find what is the background of the story, you know, what is the background of the character, main character of this story. In these lines we find the main character of this story, that is Dr. Sadao Hukij. I already told you the character of this story, that is American, that are American characters. One that is Dr. Sadao, second one his wife Hana, and third one General. And Yumi is servant in this story. So here we find the writer tells us that Dr. where is Dr. Sadao's house. He tells he in these lines he tells us that Sadao's house is built on a spot of Japanese coast where, as a little boy, he had often played. It means there he lives his life. It means he at that place he plays throughout his childhood. And after then, let me read. The low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with bent pine. In these lines we find there is a narrow beach, and there is a narrow beach. Suppose that this one is the narrow beach, and in this narrow beach at the corner of this narrow beach, his house is built. And you when you go to near any coastal area, you find there are many stones, and the stones are the foundation of his house. It means on the stones his house is built, outlined with bent pines. And near coastal area you find pines trees, uh, that is bent pines. Trees means it is very liberal, it is not very stiff, it is very liberal. Whenever the such type of trees find wind, it automatically bends. So here the writer describes this one. I mean, first one, the house is built on the stone, you can say on the foundation of stone at the narrow beach of coastal area. And around his house there are many bent pines, there are many bent pine trees. And after then what happened? As a boy, Sadao had climbed the pines, supporting himself on his bare feet. uh, in this line we find the boy. Whenever you see anyone who climbs the tree, if you wear shoes or slippers, you can't climb the tree, because your legs slip when you try to climb the tree. Here we find the child, because in this paragraph we find the writer describes the childhood time of the main character. And in and the child in his childhood, the main character climbs the pine tree on his bare feet, and where he learns this technique, how anyone can climb the tree. He learns this one thing as he had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconuts. Coconuts, this thing his father does not make him learn all these things, but he learns automatically, seeing automatically this thing when he sees other people who climb the coconut tree, who climb for coconuts in the South Seas. In these lines we find child learns this thing, how anyone can climb the tree, can climb the tree. After then what happened? Let me read. His father had taken him often to the islands of those seas, and never had he failed to say to the little brave boy at his side. In this line, whenever you go to see any coastal area, you will find in the mid of sea. If you can see in the mid of sea, there is a island. There is an island. It means this is the land part. This is the part of land, that is covered by water around the whole side. It is covered by water. That land part is known as the island. His father, because his house is built at the beach of coastal area, his father always takes him to the island, to the barren island of that side, to the barren island of that side. And taking him to that place, his father never fails to tell him what thing his father tells him on that island. Let me read. Those islands yonder means there. Yonder, it is a old spelling, it means there. Those islands wonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan. In this sentence we find his father indicating towards the stones, towards the islands, towards the islands. His father indicates him that these islands will be the milestone for the future of Japan, will be the milestone for the future of Japan. And present time you find there is a great fight between Japan and China, taking South Chin Sea, such type of thing. Here his father indicates his son, these islands will be the future of Japan. And after then what happened? Where shall we stay from them? Sadao had asked seriously. Where shall we stay from them? Sadao had asked seriously when his father tells him that these islands will be the future of Japan. So Sadao is a child, so he curiously he asks his father, what I will do with that islands, what I will do with that island. After then what happened? Who knows? His father had answered. Who can limit our future? It depends on what we make it. In this way, when he asks what I will do, yeah, what we will do with that islands, his father, yet you can say another thing, on that island what I will build. So in this statement his father responds him that nobody knows what will be of that thing. Nobody knows. It depends on our willpower. We make it on our willpower. It means here father tells his child what is the value, what is the importance of island, that is present time barren, but in future it will be very fertile for Japan. Okay, in this way I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. In this paragraph we find In this way, students, in the first paragraph, we have studied what is the background of a story, where this the story of this chapter is set, and what is the work of the main character. Okay, I hope you all understood. Let me roll down. Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said. Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him, who had his only son. In this way, here we find that Sadao is motivated by the statement of his father. Yes, Sadao learns everything from his mind. Oh, sorry, from his father. Whatever his father teaches him, whatever his father teaches him, everything he learns from his father's side. And after then, he also knows, because he is very accustomed to, he is very habitual to his father, that he knows his father does not like to joke him, does not like to joke him. And Sadao is not so little child that he can't understand which type of pain his father takes, which type of trouble his father faces to bring him to bring up him. So in this way, in these lines, we find Sadao accepts that his father faces many infinite pains upon him, who, because he is only one son. He is only one son. Okay, I hope you understood. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. For this reason, he had been sent at 22 to America to learn all that could be learned by of surgery and medicine. In this way, his father, this one is the reason why his father is worried, no, taking his child, especially his father concerns, no, his father's concerns, chief concerns, that is the education of his child. And for this, he is very aware, no, to take the education of his child. So for this, he sends his child to USA for learning of surgery and medicine, for learning of surgery and medicine. And when he sent, who is sent? Sadao is sent to America when he is only 22 year old. Only 22 years old. He is sent to America to learn surgery and medicine. In this way, his father is very aware taking his child's education. So for this to complete it, to fulfill this goal, he sends his child to America. Only he is only 22 years old. I hope you all understood. Let me read again. Huh. He had come back at 30, and before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but as a scientist. In this way, after taking his education from America, yeah, after completing his education from America, he returns to Japan. And before his father death, it means his father sees that his father is alive when he returns from America to Japan. And when he is known to all Japanese, for his skilled knowledge, for his education of surgery and scientists, and you can say science of surgery and science. Whenever we, this one is a fixed preposition. After known we can't use preposition by, we only can use preposition to. So here I used, he is known to all Japanese. It means it is not like this, he is known by all Japanese. This one is wrong. He is known to all Japanese when he returns from America to Japan, and he has been very famous surgeon and as a scientist in America, sorry, in Japan. And during that time, his father is alive. And after then what happened, because he was perfecting a discovery, which would render wounds, render means cover, उन्स माने you can say scars फोड़े फुंसी घाव उन्स entirely clean. He had not been sent abroad with the troops माने soldiers. Also he knew there was some light danger, that the old journal might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically, and for this possibility Sada was being kept in Japan. So first of all, when he completes his education, he returns from America to Japan, and everyone knows that he was sent to America for education in doctorate, for education in medicine. But when he returns from here, he has been also scientist. Why he has been scientist? Because he is researching something for rendering the wounds, na? For rendering the wounds, yeah, you can say for inhaling the wounds. When he is searching something which can inhales the wounds entirely, and for this everyone knows that he is also a scientist. And after then what happened? During that time it was the war time, so all the soldiers, all the troops are sent for fighting in abroad country. But even then he is not sent to abroad country with the soldiers for their treatment, because the general of the old general, his condition is very critical in Japan. The old general of all army, his condition is very critical. So old general also needs a specialist who can treat him whenever he becomes ill. So for this Dr. Sadao is not sent to abroad, and he present time he is staying in Japan to operate here, to treat the doctors. And after what happens, he was now being treated medically, and for this possibility Sada was being kept in Japan. This one is the reason I already told you. So I hope that you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. In this paragraph we find which type of education he receives in America. Who receives? Sadao receives in America. And after returning from America, why he has known as why he has been famous as a scientist in Japan, because he is discovering, he is very curious mind doctor, so he is discovering something that can inhales the wounds very soon. So for this one, and the third thing of this paragraph, why he is not sent to abroad, because the old general the health of old general is very critical, so for his treatment he is not sent to abroad. So I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. So okay, so let me roll down next paragraph. Clouds were rising from the ocean now. The unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. In this condition, we find physical appearance of the atmosphere sea, sea, where Sadao's house is situated. Clouds were rising from the ocean now. In this way, dhund, you can say fog, such type of thing comes out now is rising from the ocean. The ocean is very giant place. It is a very broad place, and from there vapor. Sometimes a huge vapor when comes out suddenly from the vast water, seems to be cloud. Na? Seems to be clouds. So such type of scene is created there, and the unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. It means whenever suppose in India, especially northern India, yeah, in India, whenever in the rain season we find the day and night is very warm. The day and night very warm. It means to after 1 or 2 days it may be that rain will be. So here on that day money, you can say there for last 2 days all of the atmosphere of the air for last 2 days is very warm, is very warm. And so this one thing, this attracts the fog from the cold waves, and this one is the reason why the why the you can say this one is the reason the worm attracts the fog from the cold waves. And after then, let me read. Sadao vast mists hide outlines of a little island near the shore and then come creeping up the beach below the house. And Sadao, money at standing in you can see standing in veranda, yeah, at home, Sadao looks the atmosphere, the you can say the outside of this of his house, and he looks everything the mists, and he finds the fogs and mists come out from the water, and it hide the outlines, you can say all the pine trees all the pine trees are hidden by the mists and fog a little island near the shore, you can say a little money, this one is the place there such type of thing is happening, then come creeping up the beach below the house. In this way here the writer is metaphering, you can say the writer is using here figure of speech metaphor. I mean, says he says that you can say this one is not metaphor but hyperbole, a personification, sorry, this one is the personification. He personifies fog as human being. It creeps fog as human being, it creeps like human being, and slowly it is going ahead and ahead, but it is coming it is coming to the house of Sadao. When from water, from the cold waves water, the fogs and mists are coming slowly and slowly towards the Sadao's house, towards Sadao's house. And after then what happened? Reading around the pines, in a few minutes the fog would be wrapped about the house too. Then he would go into the room where Hannah, his wife, would be waiting for him with the two children. I mean, he is looking for few minutes, and while he is looking he finds the fogs come out, and the fog covers all the pines at the beach. And after then fogs going ahead, and it covers the whole house of Sadao. And after this one Sadao enters the room, yeah, goes back to the room, and there he finds his wife Hannah, and his wife Hannah is waiting for him with their children, with the two children. In this paragraph we find what is the physical appearance, what is the weather of that area we find for last 2 days it is very warm, so warm attracts rain, yeah, fog and mists. So this one is fog and mists come out from the water, and it first of all it covers first at the bank of the beach, and after then it starts covering the whole area including the house of Sadao. Okay, I hope you all understood what is the meaning of this paragraph. So let me roll it. This one is the next paragraph. But at this moment the door opened and she looked out a dark blue woolen haori over her kimono. In this lines we find two words, woolen haroi over her kimono. This one is the cloth, this one is the type of cloth which are used by Japanese and American. So this one is the cloth, you can the types of cloth. So, but at this moment the door opened and she looks out a dark blue woolen haroi over her kimono. She came to him affectionately and put her arm through his as he stood. In this way I already told you who is standing in veranda. What is his name? Sadao, doctor is standing in veranda, and he's looking everything. For a few minutes he enters the room, and after then he comes out. And when he comes out he remains the door open, and in the mid of, you can say, mist and fog, Sadao, and in the mid of mist and fog, what Hannah looks a dark blue woolen haroi over a kimono. Hannah looks someone who you can say who is wearing such type of cloth, a dark blue woolen haroi over her kimono. So in this way, sitting inside the room, Hannah looks out all the scene of the outside, and he finds anyone, someone is standing, and someone is blurring dark wearing a dark blue woolen heroi over a kimono. And after then what happened? She came to him affectionately and put her arm. When she comes out from the room, and she also stands beside her husband, holding his hand. And after then, through his, he stood, he smiled and said nothing. He had met Hannah in America. The meaning of this paragraph suddenly has been changed. Suddenly changed, and in this way, when Hannah comes out from the room, she stands beside his husband. Husband only smiles at her, but he does not speak even one word. And after that, writer describes that where Dr. Sadao meets Hannah. The Dr. Sadao meets Hannah first time in America, and after then, but he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure she was Japanese, because his father believes, this is the firm belief of his father, that his son should marry only with a you can say Japanese. So he knows that his father will not accept this thing. So first, in the first sight, he falls in love with her, but he is not sure. Yeah, he does not want to tell him that he loves her until he is sure that she is a Japanese. Yes, she is Japanese. When he is sure that she is also Japanese, then he tells her that he falls in love with her. Yeah, he loves her. And after then, his father would never have received her unless she had been pure in her race. He wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Hannah. In these lines, we find, already I told you, his father believes that his son should marry only a Japanese. So for this, first of all, he wants to know what is her race. When he properly, it means Dr. Sadaos properly knows that his race is Japanese. Her race is Japanese. So he gets married with her, but here he imagines, if he did not meet her, with whom he got married. And after then what happened? And by what luck he had found her in the most casual way, by chance, literally, at an American professor's house. The professor and his wife had been kind. In these lines, we find by which way he meets Hannah, and how he meets Hannah. He accepts that by luck, by chance, he meets Hannah. And where he meets Hannah when he goes to an American professor's house, at an American professor's house. By chance, you can say, by luck, he meets her there. And after then, the professor, in this paragraph, we find the writer describes something about the professor, where Dr. Sadao meets Hannah. The professor and his wife had been kind people and anxious to do something for their few foreign students. In this way, professor, already I told you that Dr. Sadao is sent to America for his further study, and there there professor teach him. So first of all, one time, his professor invites him at his home. And when he goes to there, he finds that his professor is very anxious. His professor is very anxious to do something foreign students for his foreign students. So they also invite few other foreign students at their home, professor and his wife both, and after that and the students. The board had accepted this kindness. Na? There are few foreign students, and the students, though board, had accepted this kindness. Sadao had often told Hannah how nearly he had not gone to Professor Hurley's house that night. In this, by mistake, you can say by chance, by luck, actually he decides he does not want to go to visit the professor house, but by mistake, by luck, suddenly his mind, his mood has been changed, and he decides to visit his house. And after then he tells this thing to his wife Hannah. And after then the rooms were so small, the food so bad, the professor wife so valuable. Sorry, valuable means talkative. Valuable means talkative means wachali. But he had gone, and there he had found Hannah, a new student, and had felt he would love her if it were at all possible. In this way, by mistake, by luck, he goes to visit the professor, goes to visit the professor's house, and there he find the place up. The room is very small. The food is not good for him, because everyone likes. Everyone has his own likes and dislikes. So he does not like the food, which type of food is served there. And he also knows the wife of professor is very talkative, voluble and talkative. And there he finds Hannah, not Fana. But he had gone, and there he had found Hannah, a new student. Hannah is also new student, as Dr. Sadao is new student for professor. And had felt he would love her if it were at all possible. And as soon as he looks at her, as soon as he looks at her, he feels love her. He feels he feels something, and he starts to love her. And in this way, this paragraph is over. In this paragraph, we find that how Dr. Sadao meets Hannah, and where he meets Hannah, and why he likes Hannah, and why he likes Hannah, and which type of professor he has in America, which type of professor he has in America. In this paragraph, we find all these things, and one thing more, that is a person, that is someone is, you can say, stirring, moving in the mid, yeah, in the fog and mist. Okay, I hope you all understood. I stop here, and in the next video I will teach you all from here. Okay, I stop here. Thanks.